Today, I went fishing and caught the strangest bass I've ever seen.
Oh yeah. Holy dude, this shakes on this guy. Oh. Oh, that's a nice one. Holy shit, that's a nice guy. Oh my god, now he's fighting. Holy shit. Wait, this guy's nice. Don't be jumping, don't be jumping. Okay, dude. There's no way. This guy has to be freaking huge. Wait. Oh my god, this guy's a hog. Holy shit, this guy's big. Wait. Hold on. Holy crap. Who bit into this guy? What the? Oh my gosh. This guy's thick. This guy is fat, dude.
Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and comment down below what you guys think happened to this guy. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.